welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will see how to export a CRM report in Bitrix24. So grab a seat, hit the like button, and let's get started. For that, we need to open the report section. You can find the analytics. You can find in the report. Just click on the report section. You can see the report dashboard. Which report you want to export? Just click open that report. I just open this report. And you can find the setting option over here. Just click on that option and just click on export to Microsoft Excel and run it. A recording processing 200 completed. Yeah, just click on download button. Yeah, you can see you have successfully export the CRM report. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thank you.